Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited because today I'm going to be doing a easy Valentine's Day look. So I have done my full makeup. I'm going in and applying the pink lemonade to my cheeks. It's just a perfect baby doll, kind of a Barbie pink. And I just thought it would really look really good with this eyeshadow. So then I'm going to take my primer, I'm priming my lids, and I'm going in with the color Cupcake. So Cupcake is very, very close to my skin tone. So you want to create or grab a color that is either close to your skin tone or a translucent powder. And basically what this color is going to do is it's going to create a nice base so that when I go in with the darker colors, they're much easier to apply. So this is kind of a trick. If you're using darker colors, always go in with a lighter color because it just, as you're layering it, it's just going to make them blend out easier. So then I'm going to take the color Paris. So this is a light, kind of a pink color. It's a staple if you're wanting to do pink eyeshadow looks like I'm doing today. And I'm just going to pack this on my lid. One thing that I have noticed as I've gotten older is my lids are starting to get more crepey, I guess. When I do the windshield wiper motion, they're kind of moving with it. So I like to do more of a packing motion. You'll see them the next color. A little bit more of that technique. So I'm taking this Paris color and I'm putting it on the bottom part of my lid. I'm using my dual-ended eyeshadow brush, which is perfect for this. It's got a fluffy part at the end and then a pencil side at the other end. Then I'm taking the color My Hija. I don't know how to say it. I will link everything below so you guys don't have to try to guess what I'm saying. But this is like a purpley pink color. And so what I'm doing is I'm doing that packing motion like I had said before. I just feel this helps to add the color, and not when I do the windshield wiper motion, sometimes it skips because my skin is like pulling with it. So I like to do the packing motion and just really take this color and build it up. So I'm only doing one eye. You can see here, I'm just kind of blending it out. This color is not going to be very forgiving because it is so dark. So I like to go in and pack it, and then I take it and kind of wipe it off on either one of the cleaning tiles that Saint has, or you can use like a rag or a towel. And I just like to get the excess eyeshadow off and then go in and kind of clean up the edges. Then I'm going to take the color Sis. This is one of our shimmer colors, and I'm going to use my finger to apply this. The shimmer colors apply, in my opinion, the best with your finger. There's something about it that like warms up the texture and everything, and I feel like you get so much more vibrancy when you apply it with your finger. So you don't need anything fancy when you're doing your eyeshadow looks or anything like that. I'm literally doing this with one brush that is dual-ended and my finger. So I'm going to apply it in the inside corner of my eye. Then I'm going to take that My Hija color again, and I'm cleaning up the edges. I'm making sure that that shimmer color didn't go into my crease. I want it to literally stay on my lid, and I'm just kind of going through and packing that color back on and making sure that it's bright and it's vibrant. Next, I'm going to tight line my eyes. So this, I like to tight line my eyes with this Essence black eyeliner because it is literally the best eyeliner in my opinion on the market. It's a mechanical eye pencil. It doesn't smudge, it doesn't smear, and it's amazing. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to apply my mascara. I sped this up because it does take me a little bit. I like big, bold, thick looking lashes. I want to look like I'm wearing falsies without actually wearing falsies. And this mascara from Maybelline is awesome. It does not clump up. You can get those big, bold lashes without it being without it clumping, and it's drugstore. Then I'm going to go in with my Saint color. It's a contour color by Ash, or called Ash, and I'm going to do my brows. Then I'm going to take the Saint setting spray, spray it on my brow wax, and then I'm going to set my eyebrows, and that is it. An easy Valentine's Day look. I will have everything linked below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed.